And this is the thing why I can't take. This is why I cannot take everything that everybody said to me like that, because I remember the other day when I mentioned Pedro, quite a few people said to me that the hyena has not been to DC. So I said, well, it makes me start to think, because I'm saying, if she have never been to DC, and my source told me that Pedro and her been through the last year at DC, and they're the same age bracket. So when you guys was telling me that she hasn't, and now look, she should come and she talk out her one mouth. So she's been to DC. She said she been to her next school and then to DC. So my source was right. My source was indeed right. And as I said to you guys, my source tell me that they don't believe that Jayden was unalive on the Friday. They don't believe that. But obviously, they haven't got no proof for that, like some of the other stuff them that they tell me. So obviously, once there's no proof, I'm not going to come and say to you guys. And I have heard that people went in and Pedro in a broad daylight. So that is something I am trying to confirm to you guys. And if that's the case, and I can confirm that it was indeed Pedro, right? If I can confirm that it was indeed Pedro, what would have been the motive for that? So, and this is what I'm saying. Let me tell you something, guys. You see me? I will dig the earth as deep as a well to get information. And if that's be the case that Pedro actually dropped out in a real life, the police them need to go back to the school record. The police them need to go back to the school record and see if they both was going to school at the same time. Because I think that's very ironic. His name called and mentioned, people going for him in a broad daylight, and this supposed to be some alleged gang leader. Money have to run to get him out. You understand? 007 mama. Because let me tell you something. You see how hard. That's what I heard, Michelle, but obviously I haven't got no confirmation. Let me see if I'm one them saying drop out. Let me see. Let me get the So this is that from the 26th of March, is it? Yeah, he went to DC 6th farm, so him would have grow close to hyena more than time. Yeah, I think it was March 26. Yeah. So him go look for somebody, him go look for somebody. Him go look for somebody of the sort, and man got in and in broad day yesterday. And that was the 26th. So let me ask you one question. Right, so what we need to figure out, was this happening in St. Elizabeth or this happening in Mandeville? So what we have to go to, Shanda, is sweep the news in a St. Elizabeth to see if fishing when man going past somebody and sweep. We're gonna sweep Manchester Yvette. We need to sweep the news for the 25th of March because this says this a man going upon him in a broad daylight yesterday. So if this is the 26th of March, that would have been the 25th of March. So we need to sweep the news in a St. Elizabeth and sweep the news in a Manchester to see if we can get confirmation of somebody get unalive in a them two region there. And it have to match the age group as well. Yeah. Because what them not understand, them things are dumb. Them things are stupid. And me have some more, you know, but as I say, we don't have to wait for no series. But me just want to confirm certain things before me come give you. You understand? That's all me do. Confirm some things. I'm to tell you something, guys. You know, some I don't like call people name. But I want to say big up J Progress. It's a girl here. Me and I don't really get on too much, you know. But me gonna say big her up same way. Chat and laugh. Big her up. Because she's a warrior. She is a warrior. Because I feel like, and this is, I am not 100% sure, but I feel like they can't step to that woman there with some crap. Because she come ball out that quick, fast. Everybody have a gullible side to them. And you see she get a hit with the solicitor, but she still come back fighting. So big her up. You understand? Me nah look no friend, but big her up. JP, big up yourself, brother. Cause you see you now, J Progress. Me just feel like you have a warrior spirit in your youth. And it's because of your warrior spirit where you have, it means that no matter who it is coming to you them foolish, you're gonna sit back and relax and check it out first, and then you're gonna just get mad and blow off on it. And that me see you do because me hear you say yard boss tell us if you hold your judgment, and me hear yard boss come back and say me tell you if you hold your judgment. So that's something do. Me look for consistency, me listen for consistency in a thing. And when you say it and me come back and hear him say the same thing. And then you wait and target your prayer and then you strike. Cause them nah come cover with you with no old boy. Them nah do it. And I can tell you, say, yard boss, me not have nothing against you. Not a thing. And let me tell you something. Me hear you say something for your life and you say anybody I do that, them to stop. Anybody I send yard boss or anybody in the blogging world. They say if I send physical threat to them, that's despicable, that's disgusting, and we don't need to stop. You can't want to live in our world where we have freedom of speech, but when somebody says something where you don't like, you feel so that person if you go out that person like. Not no gossip. That's crap. And that's why you see 450 and Fiend Boss, I feel like the two of them for go to prison. Me feel like 450 and him boss go to prison. Yeah, me feel like the two of them to go to prison. And the whole like entourage them to go to prison. They feel like new prison for the whole of the car. Let me tell you why I feel like to go to prison. A blogger push your music. A blogger talk if you're doing crap or don't think your music is crap. When a blogger say the music are the artist in pan road, you don't go and go see now and club one boxing down. Or box her down. But when time they them speak them truth and say, yo, that music yo, I don't even do like that one and whatever they say that one. You don't feel like say if you go boxing down. If you're the artist in pan road, everybody gonna say, yo, at 450 already placed now. When they drop off a shape, everybody gonna say, yo, you drop off a shape. So why when time when I run the place and people so now run the place, you don't go back some people them something. But no have to stop. So me no want because me not support no violence towards no human being, you know. If me say something I don't like, you answer. And if you say something I don't like, you answer. If me don't answer, me don't answer. But me not gonna say you forget no backside no kick kind of tongue. So them thing there, if you not threaten yard boss with physically, we have to stop. You understand? Stop. And if you not running a joke and them something there, fair enough. But don't send no physical threat towards him, because if you not do it to your boss, you don't do it to me the same way. So you need to stop. Is your boss a clown? Yes. Is he a Cameroon? Yes. Is he the weak link? Yes. Does that mean to say if he get unalive? No. You get me forward from? Because one of the things I'm noticing what I'm saying now. You see, because I'm going to speak to her directly, him get some kind of feelings and some kind of sympathy. And we are all human beings, so that is a possibility that can happen. But it's not going to happen to me because I'm cold as like up Antarctica. Because you see, the thing is with me, I know that Jayden is the victim in this situation right here. So we have. So the hyena, the crocodile, the reptile, them not gonna get no sympathy from me like that. Because they ain't no victim. I may not give perpetrator sympathy, I give the victim sympathy. In any case, the perpetrator will not get no sympathy from me. The only sympathy a perpetrator will get is the needle. You understand? They not get no sympathy from me. So that's why them not gonna come. Because if you ask them right now, ask them. You might not hear people call my name and I say me do something that I'm rare and me blah. Which that's fine, that's okay. Because I know that me come out. But if you go to them and ask them right now, they will tell you that Miss Carol's second picnic is a thorn in them side. Is a nightmare to them a day. Ask them. Ask them if they know tell you no. And that I know me not look no hype or no fear. Me I tell you say if you not talk to one of them yard boss, ask yard boss. I who them say are the thorn in them side. Me. And I keep telling you, if it wasn't the family them, I would have still be a thorn in a whosoever side. But this girl here, I personally don't think the hyena is protecting herself. That's just my opinion. I don't think she's protecting herself because I don't feel like she's a trigger man behind Jayden unaliving. The hyena is protecting one of two persons. And you know, say she can't wait. I don't think she's protecting him because I move past him right now. I move past him, you know. I move past Goatee. Right now, my money where me I bet, cause me at 1-1 me I take them out, you know, 1-1. I me take out the crocodile, me take out the reptile. So my thing now it gone down to Goatee, the hyena, Romian, and Pedro. I feel Pedro is the trigger man behind it. That's just my opinion. But then Romian is in the running as well to be the trigger man. You understand? Yeah. What, a mistake when you come up in the box? May I release out the box?
No. When I play the thing, one thing me want to say, because you mentioned about the change of time, they go and correspond and change the time and pretend like the phone work different time. But once you land in Jamaica, the phone change automatically.
No, not necessarily, because I went down there the iPhone 6S, and my watch, me set my watch, and my watch was showing me the time down there while my phone was ahead by 5 hours. That was in March. So the time, because we have to also understand, and the time on the phone, if you're going to your phone and you don't set it to auto time zone, it can stay behind as well. But even over here, so if your phone is not set on auto, right now, okay, right now we can go show you what gadget stuff in my house right now. Oh, that I just know.
Divine.
Yeah. So right now we can show you this one thing in my house where the other thing say it's that gone over the summer the daylight saving time, and it's not, it hasn't changed, and I can go and show it right now. So it can work that way. And if you look through all of the situation, what been transpiring, you just see that is the only way she can have that time way out by an hour. And it's just ironic that it's out by the hour that the clock is have a difference.
Good
morning,
evening,
my
Tiger.
darling.
Good evening, panel. Good evening, everybody. So, Tiger, you know, see your boss missing out of the picture behind you.
Me I go update it, man. Give me a
Okay,
name sometime.
yeah, you need fit in a hate. You know, one brighter orange and for them.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can I say
Hi.
something?
Yes,
All
you
right.
can.
I was in Jamaica 2 weeks ago, and when I landed in Jamaica at the airport in Kingston, my phone I don't set my phone on anything, and my phone have two timing. It have the home time and local time. There are
Yeah,
two things
my
come up on the
phone
phone.
over the
You look
last
at
3
the time.
years as well.
Yeah,
My phone over
I
the
just
last
come
3
up
years
a
going
couple
to
days ago,
Jamaica.
and the two time is there. You see, home time and local time. As I land in the airport in Kingston, that's what come up on my phone. And for the whole 2 weeks I'm in Jamaica, that's the timing. So it and the screen, you have the home time, which is my time over here, and then local time is the time in Jamaica. And I didn't set my phone. I don't know how to set phone or to change anything. So the two time is there. Right.
One
so
have to
how them a go
understand.
make mistake with the time them?
One have to understand we are not disputing say these things that happen. We know this happen. Automatic update, your phone automatically updates to the time zone that you are in. However, you have to be reminded that there are settings in your phone that you can go to turn those features off.
No, but
You can also adjust your time to a different time zone.